What is the best affordable graphic design software app for e-commerce and online marketing? Have you been looking for an easy-to-use software that lets you create like a professional graphics designer? Well, I think I found the holy grail when it comes to a graphics app that is affordable for the moment, that is, and easy to use and powerful. You can create visually attractive images that will help you improve your subscriber signups, conversions, and sales. This is brand new. It just launched in August of 2019, and they have a special early adopter price right now. Let me tell you about it. Welcome to sharingyourpassion.com. I'm Chill, and my goal is to help you transform your passions into an online business. I will assist you with creating WordPress websites, online courses, email automation, membership sites, social media and how to make it work for you, sales and marketing, and more. Basically, you provide the passion and I provide assistance, and let's work to get your dreams realized. Subscribe and click the notification bell to set your dreams in motion. Okay, yesterday I was just, browsing some of my normal things, and I stumbled upon this new graphics software. It's called Glorify, and I'm kind of blown away by it because of all the features it has, but not just all the features. It has a bunch of things, but the thing it really does well, it gives you high quality templates to work with, which you can easily edit with your own text, your own graphics, and your own colors. You can find some of the templates that you like and then you edit it as you please. And you can create something within minutes that looks really professional. So what I'm going to do today is show you how this thing really makes it so easy to design my YouTube channel art. I'll show you various samples, and I'll show you my custom-made YouTube channel art in the end. Okay, so this is the interface when you log in. So they broke it down to the design you want to create will be either e-commerce, social media, eBook creator, or logo maker. The logo maker, I think that's not really a thing right now. It's very basic. So the main thing are these three things. The eBook creator is also not super advanced or has great awesome designs right now. I think it's got a real potential, but these two are the real workhorses because they have a ton of templates that are cool, are so easy to edit, so easy to customize, and I think you're gonna love it. I loved it, and I bought it within an hour of looking at this software and what it could do. If I tried to explain all the features and give you examples of all these features, it's gonna take an hour, 2 hours, maybe even 3 hours to show it all to you. But I'm just gonna focus in this video on creating a YouTube channel art, okay? So that's gonna fall under social media. Let's click that. Down to YouTube channel art. Okay, what I want to show you now is how these are categorized and makes it easier for you to navigate and find the templates you need. So this is all of them right now. If you click here, categories, they nicely divided, all their templates into niches and themes. The niches are like travel, food, home, kitchen, books, office, garden, electronics. And for themes, you have things like dark, matte color, summer, winter, organic, dynamic. So this is a great way to navigate and find templates faster instead of going through every single template. Okay, now let me show you the ones I've favorited by placing a heart on it. Let me click on this. Okay, so these are the 8 or 9 ones I favorited. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to download several of these and upload it to my YouTube so you can see how it works on my YouTube channel art. So what I'm going to do is download some of these templates without editing them and just show you what they look like on a YouTube channel art section. Okay, so let's go to my YouTube channel. So I've uploaded this one and it looks like this. Okay, and let me change it to the second one. Let's edit that, edit channel, and my already uploaded photos. Let's do the skateboard one. YouTube shows you what that channel art looks like in different screens. This is what it'll look like in the full desktop screen that you see here. It's just that strip in the middle that shows up. And this is what it'll look like on TV. If you browse YouTube on a smart TV, it'll show you the full-on resolution of that graphic. And here on a mobile phone, it's going to show you a tiny one. Still also this middle section, the little strip in the middle. So YouTube channel art focuses on that middle strip right there. Okay, so this is the skateboard template. Pretty nice, quite nice. Has this little retroness to it. So another one, we can try this one with the basket. So let's edit this one. Go back to channel art, YouTube photos, I mean your uploaded photos. This is the one with the basket. Okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the different screens. And let's select it. And there it is. Pretty nice. If I were selling like apples and stuff, this would be a nice channel art. So that's the beauty of Glorify. It has so many templates, which is catering to the specific needs of your niche. Okay, so now let's try this Crayon template. That's what it looks like in the various screens. Select this. Quite nice. They've already done the proper measurements. Look how nicely it fits the channel art for this desktop view. It just fits perfectly, pretty much. So they've really done their homework in terms of what portion is going to show on a YouTube channel art. They've done all the work for you. You know, so they've done all the work for you, and they make it so easy. So now you can just edit this to your you know, you can replace that, you can do something with that. So you can just create all kinds of customizations that fit the way you want your channel to look like. Alright, so what I'm going to show you now is the actual channel art I'm using. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to use. Okay, so all these are elements you can change. You can change your image. I'm going to replace this with my logo. I'm going to edit this a bit. And these are separate elements. These are just shapes right here you could drag around. Oh, this is the background. That's the actual background. You can change your background to any of these, such as if you wanted bricks. You can change its transparency by adjusting this. And the color of the transparency it fades into, if you change it to black, then it fades to black. So cool. And this thing is a slanted stripe. I'm going to edit this to match my branding. I'm done with the edits, and this is it. It shows up in your dashboard. I've saved it. It's saved to the cloud, their storage system in the cloud. So I just come here and open it up. So there you go. This is my edited, customized channel art for YouTube. This is what I'll be uploading. So to do that, you just go to download. I saved it as a normal PNG and just save it wherever you want to, and then upload it to YouTube. And this is what it looks like. I'll change this, and there we have it. We have what it looks like on the 3 different sizes of resolutions, and let's select it. And now my YouTube channel has a graphic, a nice graphic, header graphic. So thank you to Glorify, which made it so easy using their templates to edit and customize it to my look. I'm going to do more videos soon on how Glorify makes it so easy to create beautiful images for your e-commerce projects, your online marketing efforts, and all of that. And I think it's going to be the best graphics editor out there soon. It's already great, and it's getting better, it's affordable, and it's going to be a Canva killer. One of the reasons why I love Glorify is because of its business model. I like an application where everything I see is available, already paid for, and I don't have to deal with, is this free, is this not free, is this free, how much is this one? Everything here is available and already accessible for you because you paid for it, and my one-time payment will take care of this forever. All this stuff is free, and the new templates that are going to be coming are also going to be available and free. So I don't have to worry about things and not waste time about whether, this one is like $1 or this one's another dollar. In comparison, Canva, which is a really great product, this is probably one of the best out there, and they've been around for a while. They know what they're doing, but my problem with Canva is, of course, they have the free ones, which is great. Free, 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 free. This one's not free. If you click that, they'll show you their watermark, and if you try to download it, you need to pay $1. This is not free. This is free. Not free. 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 So about 50% are free and 50% are not free. What's annoying is that if I really like one and it's not free, it's just a waste of my time to keep going through these, and I don't like being disappointed. Of course, this would be available if I paid for it, but again, the business model for Canva is about $10 a month if you paid annually, so that's $120. Every year you have to pay for Canva, while Glorify right now, if you do it right now, you can get it for that special promo price of $97. I don't know how long that's going to last, so I think you better act soon. I prefer a business model where you just pay once and have it free forever. It's yours, you own it. While Canva, you're just renting. What if Canva increases the price in the future to $15 or $20 a month compared to Glorify, which I've already paid for and should be, forever accessible? I prefer that model. Let's also take a look at Canva's pricing page. So it is about $10 a month if you pay annually. But the other thing is, once you've unlocked all those templates, there's still, some of these photos are not free. You still have to pay $1 each for them. So they're going to probably nickel and dime you for more quality photos. So I just, Canva's good. It's a good price. It works. But guess what? There's another guy on the block that has better pricing. It has features that Canva doesn't have. Canva doesn't have the background remover. I love what Glorify is doing. They're very aggressive. They know what they're doing. These people are probably Canva users, so they've designed it to compete with Canva and also improve upon it in the way they felt that Canva wasn't satisfying their needs. So that's what I love about Glorify. I hope you found this useful, and if so, please give the video a like. Let me know down in the comment section below if you have other questions that I haven't addressed, and I'll certainly get back to you as soon as I can. I'll be doing more videos like this, so subscribe and click the notification bell to see those. And remember, it's my mission to give you the tools and inspiration to help you build your online business and transform your passion into success.